Vision is one of the most misunderstood principles in wealth creation. Most people think vision means imagination, dreaming, or positive thinking. In reality, vision is none of those things. Vision is instruction. It tells your subconscious mind what to organize toward, what to notice, and how to prioritize action. Without vision, effort scatters. With vision, effort aligns. A vague desire does not create results. Saying, I want more money, gives the mind nothing specific to work with. The subconscious cannot organize around abstraction. It responds to detail, form, and function. This is why clarity matters. Vision must be precise enough to feel real, but calm enough to feel natural. Vision does not require excitement. In fact, excitement often signals impatience. Effective vision feels neutral, grounded, and obvious. It does not feel distant or overwhelming. It feels like something that fits who you are becoming. This is why we waited until now to introduce vision. Without identity stability, focus control, and aligned action, vision turns into fantasy. With those elements in place, vision becomes directive. When you hold a clear mental image consistently, your attention shifts automatically. You begin to notice opportunities that align with the image. Your decisions become cleaner. Your actions feel less forced. This is not magic, it's cognitive alignment. The mind filters reality based on what it has been instructed to prioritize. Vision must also be reasonable relative to your current identity. This does not mean small, it means reachable. Vision expands in stages. Each fulfilled vision stretches identity slightly, allowing the next expansion to feel safe. This is how wealth compounds without internal resistance. Today's work is not to visualize everything you want forever. It is to choose one clear, specific outcome that feels aligned with who you are becoming right now. See it clearly, see how it functions, see how it improves your life. Then allow it to sit in your awareness without urgency. You are not forcing it to happen, you are instructing your system to organize toward it. Seeing before receiving is not pretending, it is preparation. When the mind sees clearly, action becomes obvious. And when action is